Crystal clear vision, just a sip away? What if I told you that a simple, delicious drink could hold the key to brighter, clearer vision? Imagine sipping on something that not only tastes great, but also supports your eye health in ways you never thought possible. It might sound too good to be true, but nature provides a bounty of ingredients that can nourish our eyes from the inside out. These vibrant fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that our eyes crave. Just like our bodies need vitamins and minerals to thrive, our eyes rely on specific nutrients to function optimally and maintain their health over time. Nutrients like vitamin A, C, and E, along with minerals like zinc, play a crucial role in keeping our vision sharp and clear. In this fast-paced world, our eyes are constantly bombarded with digital screens, environmental pollutants, and the natural process of aging. The strain from prolonged screen time can lead to discomfort and even long-term damage if not addressed. All of these factors can take a toll on our vision, leading to dryness, fatigue, and even age-related eye diseases. It's a reminder of how delicate and precious our eyesight truly is. But don't despair. By incorporating specific nutrients into our diet, we can give our eyes the support they need to stay healthy and strong. A simple smoothie packed with berries, nuts, and leafy greens can make a world of difference. The journey to better vision starts with understanding the importance of eye health and the vital role that nutrition plays in preserving it. By making informed choices about what we eat, we can protect our eyes for the future. So, are you ready to raise a glass to clearer, healthier eyes? It's a small step that can lead to significant benefits for your vision. Let's dive into the world of eye-boosting nutrition. Together, we can explore the best foods and drinks to keep our eyes in top shape. Your precious eyes, under constant threat. Our eyes are truly remarkable organs, responsible for capturing the beauty of the world around us and transmitting that information to our brains. They allow us to experience the vibrant colors of nature, the faces of our loved ones, and the written word. But have you ever stopped to consider the incredible amount of work your eyes do every single day? Every blink, every focus, every adjustment to light is a testament to their tireless effort. From the moment we wake up to the time we close our eyes at night, our eyes are constantly adjusting to light, processing images, and focusing on objects near and far. This relentless activity is essential for our daily functioning. This continuous effort can take a toll on our delicate eye tissues, leading to oxidative stress and inflammation. Just like any other part of our body, our eyes need care and attention to stay healthy. Think of it like this. Imagine your eyes as a car engine running non-stop. Without regular maintenance, even the most robust engine will eventually break down. Without proper fuel and maintenance, the engine will eventually wear down and lose its efficiency. Similarly, our eyes require the right nutrients to function optimally and avoid premature aging. Similarly, without the right nutrients, our eyes become vulnerable to damage and degeneration. Nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like zinc, play a crucial role in maintaining eye health. Furthermore, our modern lifestyles often expose our eyes to additional stressors. The hustle and bustle of city life, pollution, and constant exposure to screens all contribute to eye strain. Staring at computers and smartphones for prolonged periods can lead to digital eye strain, characterized by symptoms like dryness, headaches, and blurred vision. This is a growing concern in our digital age. Exposure to UV radiation from the sun can also damage the eyes over time, increasing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Wearing sunglasses that block UV rays is a simple yet effective way to protect your eyes. It's clear that our eyes face numerous threats in today's world. From environmental hazards to lifestyle choices, the risks are many. However, by making conscious choices to protect and nourish our eyes, we can safeguard our vision and maintain optimal eye health for years to come. Simple steps like eating a balanced diet, taking breaks from screens, and wearing protective eyewear can make a significant difference. Nutritional superheroes for your peaking powerhouses. Just like superheroes have their unique powers, certain nutrients possess remarkable abilities to protect and enhance our vision. These nutrients are essential for maintaining the health and functionality of our eyes, ensuring that we can see clearly and comfortably. These nutritional superheroes work synergistically to combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support the overall health of our eyes. By incorporating a variety of these nutrients into our diet, we can help protect our eyes from the damaging effects of environmental factors and aging. One of the most well-known eye-boosting nutrients is vitamin A, particularly in the form of beta-carotene. This nutrient is crucial for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Found in colorful fruits and vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach, beta-carotene acts as an antioxidant, shielding our eyes from damaging free radicals. Consuming these foods regularly can help maintain the health of our retinas and prevent vision problems. It also plays a crucial role in improving night vision and preventing dry eyes. By ensuring adequate intake of beta-carotene, we can support the production of rhodopsin, a pigment necessary for seeing in low-light conditions. Another powerhouse nutrient is vitamin C, abundant in citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers. This vitamin is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that provides structure to the eyes. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the lens of the eye from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of cataracts. Regular consumption of vitamin C-rich foods can help maintain the clarity and function of the lens. It also supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes, ensuring proper blood flow and nutrient delivery. This is vital for maintaining the overall health of the eyes and preventing conditions such as macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two carotenoids that act as natural sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light emitted from digital screens and the sun. These nutrients help protect the eyes from the damaging effects of prolonged exposure to blue light. These powerful antioxidants are highly concentrated in the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp central vision. By protecting the macula, lutein and zeaxanthin help maintain the clarity and precision of our vision. Leafy green vegetables like kale and spinach, as well as egg yolks, are excellent sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. Including these foods in our diet can help ensure that we get enough of these important nutrients to support our eye health. The Eye-Boosting Elixir, a recipe for visual delight. Now that you understand the importance of specific nutrients for optimal eye health, let's whip up a delicious and refreshing juice that incorporates these vision-boosting ingredients. This eye-boosting elixir is not only packed with flavor, but also provides a powerful dose of antioxidants and essential vitamins to nourish your precious eyes. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped kale, half a cup chopped spinach, 1 medium carrot, chopped, half a cup blueberries, a quarter cup chopped red bell pepper, half an inch ginger, peeled and chopped, and 1 cup water. Instructions: wash all ingredients thoroughly, combine all ingredients in a high-speed blender and blend until smooth. Add more water if needed to achieve desired consistency. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately for maximum nutrient absorption. This eye-boosting elixir not only delights your taste buds, but also provides a powerful combination of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as lutein, zeaxanthin, and other beneficial antioxidants. Enjoy this refreshing juice daily to support optimal eye health and protect your vision for years to come.